Hello, hello, hello. Happy Tuesday to all of us. Now is I'm making boiled pasta. So I just make this one to make sauce. I'm just common cook. That's what I do. That's my recipe by myself only. Okay. Sometimes kasi if I eat too much rice already, so I make pasta. If we have no andomi or sometimes andomi, that's what I do. That's just for me. Because sometimes she don't want to eat. Okay. Just to boil that one. Just make the boiled it later. That's why. And now the weather is good. It's very, very good. No dusting, not too much windy. It's just a regular weather. It's just a normal weather. Okay? So, I'm here in the kitchen. So much people. I'm here in the kitchen. It's my kitchen, our kitchen. That's what we do. We can cook. And sometimes we can stand by them. Because there is no more. Finish? Okay na? So that's what we are here. Okay. This one they make drawing down. They don't like anymore maybe. So we just draw so they don't get finished. That's the children. The friends in usual. Si okay, look what they do. Okay. You can use for the garbage. I use that one. This one I'm not throw because sometimes I use here to protect. So that the sauce or some water if I'm washing, so I can throw. I can, what's that there? For my garbage. So that's all. That is my daily routine. Once again, thank you very much to all mga subscriber, to all. Don't forget also to subscribe. My name is Grace Free El Torello of my channel, and now sir is coming already. I think she is coming already. So that's what I do. Okay. We are here. Okay. So I make the video first here. Para maiba yung kasi nandiyan na si sir. Tapos nag-cooking pa ako. Okay. So thank you again. Thank you for all of us. Thank you for helping. Thank you to all subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, and supporters and not supporters. Okay. And make it please us all. Happy Tuesday. Yung iba nag-sleep na, yung iba naman nag-work, yung iba go home na, yung iba tired na sa work, and like me, we are already at 5 o'clock p.m. past 5 o'clock p.m. afternoon already. Okay. So that's why we are here. That's what we are. So I'm just make it finish. And I say bye-bye. Thank you again. Thank you for some vloggers that I'm helping for me. And you know who you are. Same as usual. And bye. And bye-bye.